You've just cashed in that sweet side hustle gig or landed a new job. The first paycheck is on its way, and you're ready to dive into that Acorn account. But hold up. How long does it actually take for that direct deposit to hit your Acorn balance? Let's break it down. First off, what is direct deposit? It's essentially like magic money appearing in your account without you having to lift a finger. Your employer or whoever is paying you sends the funds directly to your bank account, in this case, your Acorn account. It's faster, safer, and more convenient than traditional paper checks. Now, the burning question, how long does it take? Well, the short answer is, it depends. A lot of factors come into play here. Let's explore them. Factor 1, your employer's payroll schedule. Your employer's payroll processing time is the first hurdle. Some companies are lightning fast, processing payroll daily or even multiple times a day. Others might be a bit slower, processing weekly or bi-weekly. So, if your employer is on the slower side, it'll naturally take longer for your money to hit your Acorn account. Factor 2, Acorn's processing time. Once your employer sends the funds, Acorn has to process the direct deposit. Generally, Acorn is pretty quick on this front. But there might be occasional delays due to system upgrades or unforeseen circumstances. Factor 3, your bank's processing time. Even after Acorn processes the deposit, your bank has to do its part. They need to verify the funds and make them available in your account. This usually happens pretty swiftly, but again, there can be exceptions. So, to sum it up, the typical time frame for an Acorn direct deposit to land in your account is anywhere between 1 to 3 business days. But remember, this is just an estimate. It could be faster or slower depending on the factors we've discussed. To give you a better idea, let's look at a real-life scenario. Imagine your payday is Friday. Your employer processes payroll on the same day. Assuming Acorn and your bank are on top of things, you might see the money in your account as early as Monday. However, if there are any delays, it could be Wednesday or even Thursday before you can access your funds. Now, what if you need your money faster? Well, there are a few things you can do. First, try to get a clear understanding of your employer's payroll schedule. Knowing when they process payroll can help you anticipate when the funds will hit your Acorn account. Second, consider setting up direct deposit as soon as possible. This will give you ample time to resolve any issues that might arise. And remember, if you're experiencing unusual delays, don't hesitate to reach out to Acorn's customer support. They can investigate the issue and provide you with more specific information. So, there you have it. While the exact timing of your Acorn direct deposit can vary, understanding the factors involved can help you manage your expectations. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.